What do the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette dashboard warning and indicator lights signify? These lights provide important alerts about the vehicle's systems, ranging from maintenance reminders to urgent warnings, ensuring safe and efficient driving.
Instrument cluster, cluster indicators,
airbag readiness light, driver seat belt, reminder light, passenger airbag status indicator, anti-lock brake system warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system, light 12-volt battery, engine oil pressure light, lane keep assist light, low fuel warning light, tire pressure light, electronic stability control, off light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam on light, auto stop indicator, door ajar light, malfunction indicator lamp, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt, reminder light, IntelliBeam light, traffic sign indicator, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake light, traction off light, engine coolant temperature warning light, all-wheel drive light, automatic emergency braking disabled light, performance transmission active, front lift system light, driver mode, control light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.